than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found.
Deixa assim, Breno.
But the sun rolling high in the sapphire sky keeps raising the small on the endless round. It's the circle of life. Moves us forward through despair and hope. We fade back
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you better clap your paws, stomp your boots, and rub on your letters as we welcome you all to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin!
Alrighty, warthogs, let's get those tusk up and topples of snorting. 1, 2, 3!
Hi, everybody. Hey, Goldberg, Timon. And we're in the right section.
I'm not so sure that he's in the right section for one. And I'm ready. 1, 2.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's
And now, I present to you His Majesty, the Lion King.
picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration. And you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Timo's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, we're first on the count of 3. Let's make some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section?
Let's show somebody who's in the right section for one. Now, I'm ready. 1, 2.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go! On the wing!
It's not coming through. Big head on a mission here. It's showtime. All right, now move aside, fellas. That's enough, boys. Let's settle down. Last time, I want quiet. Thank you. Maestro, please. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase! Hakuna Matata! Ain't no passing craze! Hey, Hobo, what are you doing over there? I'm in the warthog section! Besides, my little legs can't make it down off this float! Oh, gee, that's too bad. Guess I gotta do a solo. Hakuna Matata! What's going on here? What are you primates doing? Bad monkeys! Bad monkeys! Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, but these monkeys, they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're kicking butts off each other. More dirt. Come on, everybody. You know the words. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Ain't no worries for the rest of your days. It's our power-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. That's our motto. What's a motto? I don't know. What's a motto with you? Here they go again. Pumbaa, you ain't seen nothing yet. Ladies and gentlemen, direct from a record-breaking 2 million years at the bottom of the evolutionary ladder, let's hear it for the Tumble Monkey!
enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It's when my heart is lost, it's longer just to be